Hey everybody, I got one of those Universal Remote Controls the other day. I never really thought about it when I was buying a thing. You know, it said big letters, Universal Remote Control, and I got the thing home, and check this out. This is really pretty cool. Isn't that cool? Look at this. Watch this. Isn't that cool? What's this? Neat, huh? I'm thinking the batteries are dead. Anybody out there got 3 AAAs? No. Okay, well, I guess I could go find some batteries. I'll be back shortly. This shouldn't take too long. I'll be right back. Got some AAA batteries?